Hey everybody, this is Chris, and today I'm giving away the Hubsan Zeno Pro. This is my second giveaway for this quad. My first one was given to a member in my Facebook group, which is the RC Hobby Shopper, and that was to show my appreciation for those who use my links and make my affiliate programs successful, and therefore that makes my goals for my charities and such successful as well. So this one I am offering as a giveaway to show my appreciation for you, the subscriber. And both of them are compliments of My Fly Drone on Amazon, and I'll leave a link to their Amazon store at the bottom of this video as well, in the description. Anything I recommend or mention on this video will be added in the description down underneath the video, so check that out and check out those links. But again, compliments of My Fly Drone on Amazon. So anybody that's having a hard time getting this quad from China, you can simply go to Amazon and have it in 2 days if you're a Prime member. So you're going to pay the same price basically that you pay through the Hubsan website. You're not going to get the same deals with coupon codes and things like that, but from time to time they offer some good deals also on Amazon. So again, thank you, Miffly Drone or My Fly Drone, for these giveaways. This is my second one, and that's awesome that I'm able to give 2 of these away. So this is for you, the subscriber, for reaching my 5,000 subscription milestone, if you will. And I've managed to do that without doing any giveaways. I recently just did one small one right when I was reaching 5,000, but I'm proud that I've been able to get to that mark without doing things to lure people in by doing giveaways. So I'm not trying to lure you in, although I know I'm going to get a lot of subscribers as soon as I start giving this away. But I hope you'll stick around and find that there is good content on my channel. I do a lot of Hubsan, I do a lot of Zeno, but I do Paradenofi, FIMI X8 SE, I've done some FIMI A3, some DJI, like the Mavic Mini, the FT Aviator. I've got the Skydio 2 coming up, so all good things. And I try to stay more on the help and support side more than I do reviews and a lot of things I find boring. So hopefully new subscribers coming for a giveaway, you'll stick around and you'll become one of those wonderful subscribers that I have. And I have many wonderful subscribers who I interact with through in the comments or through my Facebook groups, and you know, I can tell they're good subscribers that actually watch my videos by the comments they make. I'm not saying I don't appreciate all the comments. I appreciate every comment, but the ones that actually watch the videos, you can tell they do so by the comments they make. So those are the ones I call good subscribers. Plus, so many of my subscribers, not so many, but I've had some great subscribers that have done some very nice things for me as well. I've had gifts sent to me, whether that be a shirt or a hat or something they've made. I've had nice little things that people have made for me, little trinkets and things. And then I've got the ones that help like do my logos and the intros to my videos and things like that. So you're going to see this landing pad come off my wall soon, because one of the subscribers that I have is making me something that hopefully is going to turn out really awesome to hang on that wall. So we're going to do a little makeover, a little office makeover back here, and add some shelves and some different things, hang some quads up on the wall, and get rid of that stupid landing pad that I can't land my quad on. I keep trying and trying, but it just won't land there. So But anyhow, let's try to make this as quick and painless as possible. This is going to be an easy giveaway. I'm not making anybody jump through hoops. I can't stand these channels that make you go crazy and jump through hoops and make it work. I'm going to make this as easy as possible. But first, before we do that, let's just quickly look at the quad. And I'll put my first comment, I'll pin a comment and just show you all the specs and everything, the description of the quad. So here it is. The only thing you're really going to notice about this compared to the original Zeno is it says Zeno Pro on top. Everything else looks virtually the same. So on the outside, you basically have the same quad. Your changes are all on the inside, mainly with some hardware, and these are, in my opinion, much needed changes. So one of which they went through a different transmission system, the lease 1.0, and increased the range from 1,000 meters to 4,000 meters. So you do need a battery upgrade to make that 4,000 meters happen. I have been able to get to 3,300 meters, I believe it was, and that's perfectly fine. There is a new battery coming out that's a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. That should get you to that range as long as the transmission is capable of doing that like they say. And from what I've seen, I haven't had a really hard time getting to that 3,300. Did drop signal, so maybe some things like parabolics or something like that might help focus that signal a little better and get me further. So I look forward to that new battery just so I can do a range test only. But to get through over 3,000 meters is perfectly fine. You know, the laws are line of sight, so 3,000 meters you can't see it. But anyhow, they've upgraded that transmission system. The imaging processor chipset is the Ambarella, I believe it's the A12S, I think it is. And the original Zeno had the A12. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Something like that. But they've upgraded that and added a cooling fan, which was huge to me because this got hot. The original Zeno gets hot. They did not do proper ventilation, and where it exhausted out, it was always covered up. So it just did not allow this thing to breathe. So the cooling fan in it exhausts out the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. You can't, but kinda. There's two holes right there, and it's a pretty good strong flow, so you can feel it. The heat is coming out. And one thing it also has that I did not know about, or it appears to have, is a internal thermostat, if you will. When I have it sitting here on my desk, not when I'm outside in the cold with it or flying, I never had this, but when I have it sitting on my desk and I just have it turned on and say I'm playing with the app, I get a series of beeps, and then I feel it, and it's actually kind of warm. So I think that's just telling me, hey, I'm getting hot here, and it just starts beeping repeatedly. So I think that it does have a internal thermostat, if you will, that tells you when it's getting too hot. So we'll call that an upgrade for now, because I think it's pretty safe to say that is what that has within it, because it's only happened when I have it sitting on my desk. So don't want to drag that out, but those are the main changes with it, the big changes with it. They did just have a firmware update for it yesterday, December 14th. I have done that update. I'm in the process of kind of testing it out and checking things out. I'm making a video as I go, so I will publish that video once I'm satisfied that it's good firmware. I only will do firmware updates on my channel if I recommend them. So if you're one of those crazy people that actually values what I say, you won't do an update on your Zeno or your Zeno Pro or any of the Hubsan products until you see me publish a video. If I don't publish a video, I'm not updating that firmware. So my belief is the firmware should really deliver something for you, new features, something that you need to have. So this one's got a lot of like camera update stuff to it. It's a good one. So it's a good one to get my attention. So I've done the update and I'm testing it out, and we'll do my video here in the upcoming week on it. So that's it. That's pretty much it. That's the Hubsan Zeno Pro. So now let's talk about the giveaway. How you going to get it? All you have to do is be a subscriber, number one. And on top of that, click like on this video. So every comment, if I have 100 comments, I should see 100 likes. And the last thing you have to do is just simply comment in this video with why you think you should win the Hubsan Zeno Pro. Simple as that. I'm not going to pick you based on what you say, so you don't have to work real hard at what you say, but I'm interested to just read why everybody thinks they deserve or why they think they should win the Hubsan Zeno Pro. So if you really don't think you need it, if you just want to try to win, maybe not leave a comment and let somebody win it that actually needs it. I hope a long-term subscriber is what wins this, or who wins this, and most of all somebody who actually needs it, versus somebody who just wants to win. So hopefully the randomizer picks the right person, and I have no control over that, so we'll see. But here's how I'm going to do it. Once you've left everybody's left their comments, I'm stopping on the 18th. It'll be sometime late at night on the 18th. I will stop and look at the last comment, and anybody that comments after that person won't qualify. And I'll take every name that has left a comment, and please only comment one time. But whoever's left a comment but at that time, your name is going to be entered in a randomizer, and then the computer's going to select you from there. So yeah, I have no control over that. So what you want to do is click that subscribe button, click that thumbs up, definitely hit that bell, and then after you hit the bell, click all for all content. And that way you'll be notified when I announce the winner, which will be probably what's next weekend. Next weekend is the 21st. So the 21st or 22nd I will announce the name, and I'll either do that by just making a quick recorded video, or maybe I'll go live and then give the person a period of time to claim it. And if nobody claims it, I'll go on to another click of the key and let the computer select the next person, and we'll do it again. So you definitely want to click the notifications and click all, so you're notified when I announce the winner. So that's it. It's very simple. I'm going to repeat one more time, and then I'll say goodbye. Subscribe, click the like button, leave a comment just simply stating why you think you should win the Hubsan Zeno Pro, and what you say does not matter. That's just the subject that I'm choosing. And I'm not going to comment on anybody's, because I know it's going to be a whole lot of comments, and I will acknowledge your comment with a like, but that's as far as I'll go. I'm not going to be answering comments on this one. I normally do in my other videos, but not this one. But leave your comment, and then on the 18th, late at night on Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to stop and collect all the names, put them in a randomizer, and then announce them the following weekend, which is the 21st, 22nd of December. And hopefully, Merry Christmas to somebody. You'll be getting a Hubsan Zeno Pro. Maybe not by Christmas, but winning it will be your Christmas present. So It's all to show my appreciation for everybody. I got to 5,000 without doing these things, but I will continue to do these things because I enjoy them, and I do want to show my appreciation to you, the subscriber. I have some great subscribers, like I've said, and I think doing these is nice just to hopefully get the right person to win. So thank you very much for watching. Good luck to everybody, and click that thumbs up, subscribe, leave your comment, and we'll see who wins. Talk to you later. Bye.